In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to react to pins. By the end, you'll feel confident opening a pin, saving it to a board, and if you want, leaving a comment or sharing it with others. I'll keep things simple and practical so you can follow along on either your phone or your computer. Start by opening a pin. Browse your home feed, search for something specific, or look through your boards until something catches your eye. When you find a pin you like, tap it on mobile or click it on desktop. This opens the pin's detail view, where you can see a larger image or video, a description, and who created it. Take a moment to look over the details and any notes from the creator. This view is where you'll perform all your reactions, so make sure you're on the full pin page rather than just the small preview in the feed. Next, click the heart, also known as the Save button, to add the pin to one of your boards. When you tap Save, you'll be prompted to choose a board. Pick the one that best fits the topic so you can easily find the pin later. If you're organizing by theme, like recipes, outfits, or home ideas, choose the most relevant board to keep everything tidy. Saving helps you build a personal collection you can revisit, and it also supports the creator by signaling that their content is helpful or inspiring. If you accidentally save it to the wrong place, don't worry, you can move it to another board later. If you'd like to add your thoughts, scroll down and leave a comment. Type a quick note about what you liked, how you plan to use the idea, or any helpful feedback. Keep it respectful, relevant, and concise so it adds value for others reading the comments. Avoid sharing personal or sensitive information. When you're happy with your message, post it. Comments are optional, but they're a great way to connect with the community and encourage creators. You can also share the pin if you want someone else to see it. Tap the share icon and choose how you'd like to send it, whether that's to a friend, a group, or to another app. You can include a short note for context so the recipient knows why you're sharing it. That's it. Open a pin, save it with the heart, optionally comment, and optionally share. Practice these steps a few times, and reacting to pins will feel effortless every time you browse.